Hello, this is Smoking Mad Scientist, and I'm going to talk a little bit about my situation. First of all, I think you have to admit that there shouldn't be no justice whatsoever towards the people that surrounds you. There shouldn't be no justice over the people that cause harm towards you, for they are not their fault. They are not their own faults. You have to understand that in this world, it's only you and you only. Anyone that includes that includes everyone around you. Should be no such thing as justice whatsoever. And for that reason, you need to know that you are what you call the main character, where your story is what matters. Your main story is what matters. Who are you? Where you come from? Where are you going? How is it that in life when they supply you with lemons, some people forget to make lemonade? But I didn't. You need to understand something. In life, there's a competition between you and others. Those people. You cannot simply just blame and receive justice for things that seems to be unfair. You cannot be a whiner. You simply cannot just be complaining. Don't be a sore loser. And also, simply just can't expect justice. So saying that uh, as life puts it, you need to have a story. Since you're the main character, you will have a main story. My story goes that I know that this world is built on psychosis. So whatever your mental state is where where it should be. Where it should be. You need to understand that in life you have to manage and overcome certain obstacles. And disrupted things. Well, one more little advice. What is the importance of you? What is the importance of you besides me? What is importance of you? Some people will hold value, to the brain. And what my what I think that what the question is, would I rather be me than instead of you? Would I rather be me instead of you? Is simply because of this. This brain and this level that I'm in, where I left off, and I can continue going on forward, understanding what life is. And from my understanding is that the world is just one big ass video game. Well, there's one big ass video game, and it's true. What would be the purpose of justice for those who cause harm towards me? And what would be the purpose of me being you instead of me? For one thing, I'm gonna have a lot of fun in my new life. My eyes are open. So this, ask me this question and try to answer it. Why should I be you instead of me? And since there is no justice towards you, what type of value do you hold? How are you guys valuable? So I could see from, I mean, from so far, the structures and construction built on these apartments and houses and the roads and the lights and shit like that. I guess you say that this life of yours was built on real hard work, since it's not to be built on hard work at all. This one is gonna trip you out. Reality is just one easy to make baked cookies. I'm trying to say this reality was just easy to make. It was easy to explain. So I just want to make it seem like it makes sense that it was really, life is really real. I'll tell you one thing that I'm gonna wrap this up. I'll tell you one thing. This reality is basically one fun adventure on how do you do control and remote and manual and how you put it automotive and auto. Remember, there is no justice towards these people. If anything, only because of you. There's justice of you, but not these people. You get it? So if you're considered the favorite kid, then justice is going to be upon you instead of than the other people. You get it? There is no justice towards other people besides you. You are the one who's going to be the main person who's going to have full punishment put upon you, not the rest of these people. But it just so happens that the rest of the people are indeed um, participating in this life or reality than having a story and all that. And punishment will be upon them for what they did. But same thing as you, it will be a whole punishment towards the thing that you did. Whatever you did that caused such a hate towards yourself. So, Smoking Mad Scientist out.